global push for the green hydrogen transformation is strong, and electrolysis is the key process for hydrogen production. Despite the vast interest, why are so many customers and projects struggling to get quotes for electrolyzers? Why does it take years to deliver an electrolyzer after an order has been placed? The simple answer is the scarcity of electrolyzer production capacity. So why hasn't it been fixed? That's because the industry has always prioritized technological advancement, mass production, manufacturing automation, and cost of the electrolyzer system have never been among the top priorities. Our goal in the PEMEL team is to introduce to the market a novel mass-producible electrolyzer system that has been designed and developed from ground up using the world-class expertise in product design, mass production, and manufacturing automation that we have in our ecosystem. We focus on the most critical concerns that the customers and the industry have. These are cost of the system, cost of the installation and commissioning, as well as hydrogen-related safety aspects. Technology already exists. Our next step is to bring the electrolyzers to a commercially sustainable level, to the same level as the electric car industry. The startup we are incubating at the VTT LaunchPad will focus on commercializing electrolyzer products using proton exchange membrane technology. And we will leverage VTT's over 20 years of experience in the field.